So we set some bank lines last night, and I am now waiting for Alicia to get home so I can go out on the boat with Antonio to get these bank lines checked. He went out and got a couple sunfish too. Last night we put some cut bait on the bank lines. We didn't have any sunnies, but Antonio's going out and getting some sunnies right now. I'm gonna go meet him down at the dock. We're gonna take the boat out and we're gonna rebait all the poles with sunnies in hopes that we can catch some flatheads. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. As soon as Mama gets home, we're gonna be on our way. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, so off we go. We're gonna go jump on the boat, and we are gonna go do some bank line in here. We're gonna throw some sunnies on these bank poles. You ready to go, bud?
I am.
Got a leopard frog. Got a leopard frog and a couple sunnies. Perfect.
That would be what it is.
That is gonna be quite excellent. All right, let's get this boat straightened out here a little bit. I'm gonna pull the anchor out. Ready?
Yep.
You're gonna shove off.
Getting water.
We're gonna head upriver for a ways to our first spot. We're gonna set that bank line up with a bluegill on it. Hopefully there's something on it from last night. We set them out about 12 o'clock and now it's about, I don't know, somewhere around 10:30. We're gonna go out and check everything and make sure everything's still there. We set about 6 bank lines out. In Iowa, we can have 5 bank lines apiece. There was me and Tony in the boat last night. We also had my daughter with us, but we're not gonna count her. So we could have put out 10. We're still making a couple of them, so we don't have any more than 6 right now. So we put them all out. We're gonna go check them. So the next time you see us, we'll probably be at our first one. I'm gonna start the GPS up and point us in that right direction. So we'll see you in a little bit. So we're coming up on our first bank pole. Doesn't look all that promising. It's not sitting there bouncing like we like to see them, but we'll check it anyways and we'll put a new bait on it. Got a nice little rock pile with some wood. Got a nice little current seam that's spinning around. Look like it's limp lining right now. But we'll see.
Empty home.
Stop the boat. Oh, it's broke off.
Did it really?
Yeah, it's broke off. No kidding. Huh.
That was a nice fish.
Look at that. Might have been a big one. Looks like he wrapped himself around this log right here and then frayed it enough to where it broke off. Well, let's get it rebaited and get it back out there, huh? So we put a nice lively sunny on this one. Retied the hook and everything, so let's get him back in the water. And there it is. We are now fishing with that bank line. Our next bank pole was really close to this one. It was literally right up here. You can kind of see it up on the bank right there, right in the center of the screen. It's not going nuts right now, but we'll check it, rebait it. Looks like kind of a tight line. Might have something on here, so let me get the boat under control and get the anchor thrown. Looks like we got something on this one, guys. See it moving? He just woke up. So let's check it, see what's on there. Oh, another channel.
Okay, just pull him over here, I'll pull him up.
Little chanana. He's a lively little sucker.
Buried himself in the mud.
Yeah. I'll go get you a sunny. Where'd the sunnies go? Oh, they're right behind me. Alright. I choose you. Look at that. That'd be a good eater right there. Alright. Here's your sunny, Holmes. We'll get that sucker. You want to hook it up, so if you want to put it through the mouth. Alright. We'll put that on the bow of the boat, and when we leave, it'll just slide itself right out into the water. You're really all about getting a turtle, aren't you?
About getting a turtle.
Okay. Our next line is a little ways up, so we're gonna be headed up river that way for a little bit. And we will see you when we get back. We set a line right up in this little cove right here, right next to this tree on the inside side. Not the river side here, but the inside of this cove. We had one on there last night, and then we rebaited it and put it out. So we're probably going to have another one on there. We're not sure, but that's where we're going. All right, Tony, what we got there?
Decent channel.
Decent channel. He's not huge, but he's a good one. He's giving you all sorts of grief. He's talking to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent channel. Wouldn't mind catching that on rod and reel. Alright, sweet. Get him back in and get a sunny on that pole.
Let's go with you.
I figured this would be a good spot right here. We got that other one up there still.
Yep.
Check.
Alright. Let me get a hook sharpener.
Yeah. I've got a couple sharpening stones.
I
Yep.
killed him.
Think you found his brain on that one.
Yeah.
All right, grab a
On to the
sunny.
next.
Grab a sunny, and we'll go run up to this other one. Spike the anchor in a little bit so the boat doesn't float away. We put another one in this root ball by this tree. This tree creates a nice little slack water, nice little haven for these fish to come up into. It's a tight line. Nothing?
Just slack. Oh, nope, we got
There's
something.
a fish on there. Oh, another channel. I'll hold that, Sonny. He's had all night to rest. He is pissed. He wants to get us wet, give us a bunch of grief. Have we had fish on every line?
All but one.
All but one, yeah. We got a pretty good catch ratio going on right now. There we go.
He's pretty beat up.
That's all right.
But he'll make it.
He'll make it. All right, there's your Sonny. Gonna dangle him.
Yeah. I didn't have this one sitting on bottom.
Yeah.
This one's suspended, so.
Yeah, might as well dangle him then.
Alrighty. Start swimming.
He's swimming. All right, and we're fishing. All right, let's get on to the next one. We only have one more after this, don't we?
Yep.
Yeah, the one that we put in the Seminole Valley Park entrance. What's that?
4 or 5.
Yeah, 4 for 5. The next pole is right up here. If you guys don't recognize this, this is the inlet where the Cedar River dumps into Seminole Valley Park. Seminole Valley has a little pond in there. Well, they made a cut right here so that the Cedar River would fill it up. So we've got a bank pole set up on this high bank over here to the right, and we're gonna go check it and see if there's anything on there. So far I'm seeing it's not bouncing, but it's got a tight line on it, so we're gonna find out. I put an entire head and half a body on of shad on this thing. All right, Tony, grab it. It's not breathing or
a branch.
It's not breathing or doing anything crazy like that. Is there a fish on there? Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Watch it be a turtle. You going in after it?
There's something on here.
Is there?
Oh yeah. Turtle.
Is it a turtle?
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yep. Feel his neck going in and out. Alright, this is gonna take a minute.
Is he ticked?
Huh?
Is he pretty ticked?
Might. No, it's a turtle. You can feel it going in and out.
All right, well, we'll get this thing sorted out. If we do anything cool, we'll record it, but we'll let you know. So I went to pulling on it and it broke the line. So we'll never know what was on that, but there was definitely something on there. We'll call that our mystery fish. So We almost went 6 for 6. We were really close. Everything that
6 for
we did,
6 except for 2 breaks.
Yeah, we didn't have any bare hooks. We had 2 that were just completely broke off. So tonight, when we come back and check these guys, we are going to either replace them or re-rig them with better line and better tackle. This is all stuff that I had from last year still. So and we're just kind of out here feeling out the water a little bit, trying to figure out where everything is. So we're gonna re-rig this one back up with a sunfish. We'll probably come back out here about 12 o'clock tonight and recheck them again. So let's we're gonna get this guy in the water and we're gonna head back to the boat ramp. We're glad you guys came out here with us. We might actually do another segment tonight where we go out and check these guys. It all depends on if I can find a really good headlamp or not. And we're gonna use the action cam on my head because it's a little easier than holding this big DSLR camera. But for now, we're signing off. We hope you guys had fun coming along on our little adventure, and we hope to see you guys again in Iowa's Outdoors.